Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another one-stop watch of video number 15. Okay, you guys, let's get into this potatoes and garlic. I can't believe it's already 11 weeks. I'm not sure exactly what fall crops I'm going to plant, but I really need to plant them soon before it gets too cold. Alright you guys, up next is the mint, and it's really doing good. I mean, I really have no complaints at this point. Hopefully it lasts out there all winter. Moving on to the seedlings, you guys, and this is the garlic. It's not ready to be harvested quite yet, so gotta wait a little bit longer. This is the ginger that is in the container with the mystery seed, aka spaghetti squash. Alright you guys, let's get into the sugar baby watermelons. Okay you guys, so little baby sugar watermelon has been harvested. Unfortunately, I did not get a clip of me clipping him off the vines, okay? But at the end of this video, you will definitely see during harvest time that he is being cut up and eat, okay? You guys, when I was recording, I forgot that I harvested watermelon and little baby wasn't there. I'm zooming in and I was like, oh, I forgot. You see me trying to play it off. Alright you guys, let's get into the cauliflower that has been looking better than ever since I have planted it, because it's not ate to the stem. This is the most leaves it has had. So let's see how long this is gonna last. Moving on to the tomatoes and basil, and this really isn't much you guys because everything is dying out. Alright, you guys, let's move on to the herb garden, which consists of kale because everything else is gone. Alright, you guys, moving on to the tower, which consists of my habanero peppers and eggplant. And look, you guys, I have 2 more habanero peppers. Alright, you guys, if you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing, but don't go nowhere because we still have harvest time. Alright, you guys, this is little baby sugar baby watermelon. I brought it to my mom's house so my mom can have the honor of cutting my first watermelon of the season. Little baby was so juicy and delicious. My mom really enjoyed it. I want to say thank you to those who decided to join the fam by subscribing. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, click here.